There we go. Is DNA repair evoleable? I'll start with an experiment that I read, Linzinski's long-term experiment. Some of the bacteria in the experiment, the DNA repair mechanisms broke. They tried to figure out why such a thing would avoid being eliminated by natural selection. They assumed that since a higher mutation rate, maybe it could hit higher, more likely to get a benefit from mutation. However, if we look at this, the advantage of having DNA repair is however quite small then. If it was large, it would not have been able to pass natural selection. Without it, the DNA mutation rate should increase dramatically, and if high enough, it could cause the population to go in a slow mutational meltdown. For for RNA viruses, since they're RNA, they don't have, when they reproduce in the cell, their code is not repaired, and usually most of their mutation rates is right at the line. Push it over a little higher and they go to mutational meltdown. In fact, I did research and discovered they actually use some medicines in fighting viruses is making their mutation rate go higher so they could defeat them. The question is, how can we test for such a mechanism is evoleable? And only question is try to figure out the best situation in the theory of evolution and simulate a controlled experiment. However, I don't think, since the mutation rate be too high, natural selection pressure would be reduced on each mutation, and natural selection would be more focused on trying to immediate instant gratification mutations, which would be the loudest beneficials, because natural selection is very sighted. The only reason why I can explain current cells or bacteria cultures why they have not all broke is apply Dr. Stanford's concept of genetic entropy. The ones that break must eventually go into a mutational meltdown, while the ones or lose fitness at a faster rate than the ones that don't.